You do not want your RV air conditioner looking like this. So make sure you watch this video so you can see how to get all this sludge and jelly looking stuff out of there so it can look like this again and you won't have to pay thousands of dollars to get it repaired.
That don't give me coming down here. I like coming down low.
What up, cousins? Y'all already know who it is. This is your favorite cousin, Shay, or you can call me Cousin. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. On this channel, you're going to find everything got to do with tiny living, saving, hacks, and organization. Just a little bit of everything. But anyway, cousins, as y'all can see from the title of this video, we're about to show y'all how to clean your AC unit on your RV, which from what I done heard, you need to do that so you'll have better airflow and stuff. But anyway, let me quit talking. Let's get into the video.
See me shaking, that's why. I don't like heights at all. I'm a klutz.
My RV cousin just did her RV over there, her air conditioning, and she gonna do mine. She getting up now.
Whew, success. Okay. Horrible when all the sun and hot, but hell yeah.
Okay, she up here.
Yep.
I'm not gonna get all the way up, y'all, because I don't know what the
steps?
weight later. Okay, yeah.
It should be able to hold, every RV should be able to hold 250 pounds, as long as it ain't older than 14 is what online says, but don't trust me. Nobody sue me. Alright, step one, undo your 4 screws.
So she undoing the 4 screws. This at the top of my RV, look. This is my first time seeing the top of it.
Might have to get a different size screwdriver. There it goes. Yep. Alright, all 4 screws are off. Lift up your little dilly. I don't know how dirty yours is. Much cleaner than mine. Got like some spiders in that corner, but that's it. And then you're going to carefully come over here and you're going to very carefully wiggle it out of the clips. And there is your, ew, got some bugs in my dilly. So I don't lose them.
That's how I look, y'all.
1, pull out your little dilly, set it down in there. Remember where it goes. Take a picture if you need to. Step 2, put something that will keep the stuff from getting down on those wires. Step 3, hose the shit out of it. Step 4, let it wait and come up out of here. You see how it pulls up the dirt some? Pulls it up. On the can it says to wait, I think like 10 minutes, something like that. But yeah, it says 15 minutes, but it's hot as fuck out here, so. Okay. Then you just gently come up, pull it out, and try to get as much off the growtiness as you can. And it also helps to straighten out your tines. I don't know if that's what these called. Coils, I guess, is another name for them. You just want to get all that grossness out. Yes, please. If it's cold. You want to be careful not to put too much pressure, because you don't want to mess up your coils and make them go sideways. Always go completely straight up. Never ever sideways. It is hard.
And if y'all wondering why she doing it, she's showing us how to do it because y'all know we just started in our RV apron. She been here for a while, so she loved doing stuff like this, and she likes showing me different stuff about my RV. Just in case y'all wondering, just filling y'all in. And she's showing you what she using to clean the AC with. Bottled water's coming right up. Okay.
Yeah, just getting the dirt and the grody out.
I think she's doing a good job. So now we know to clean our ACs every so often so it won't, you know, be with all that nasty stuff on it. So I appreciate my neighbor. I really do.
You want me to drop these?
Yep.
We use almost all of them. And this shit expensive, so I'm not dropping it.
Yeah, don't give me coming down here. I don't like coming down low.
I'm literally dizzy, I'm so hot.
You don't like coming down? Look how hell he's sweating, y'all. We got 2 air conditioners up there.
Oh.
Run.
Hey,
Run.
there's the quiet.
He's
Shit,
scared,
man, I'm
y'all.
so dizzy, I'm gonna pass out.
And look at her, she hot. Yeah, they didn't did the ladder. They didn't clean it. Okay, y'all. So it's clean. We're about to turn the breakers back on because you have to turn the breakers off so you won't shock yourself while you're up there. So, like I told y'all, we had 2 AC units. So I'm about to turn this one back on. This AC2, and I'm about to turn AC1 back on. And we're gonna see what it sounds like. This is the first one. Feel good. And this is the second one. So cousins, I have learned that you do need to clean your AC unit so it won't be all that junk and your air flow better. So as I said, I am learning along the journey, and I love to learn. So as I learn, I just give you what I didn't learn. Maybe you already know it, maybe you don't. I don't know. So therefore, I'm gonna let you know what I know. So anyway, cuz if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe to your favorite cousin. Y'all already know. Bye, cousins.